how to use RIA money transfer to send and receive money. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use RIA to send or receive money. Well, let's get straight into the video. RIA money transfer provides options for both sending and receiving money, offering various methods like online transfers, cash pickup, and bank deposits as well. So you can open up RIA money transfer, right? To send money, you can use the RIA app or website as well. All you gotta do is simply go ahead and select the destination. So now here I'm unable to log in at the moment, but you can easily log in or register as well. It is pretty simple. And once you have done so, you want to select the destination that you wish to send the money to. Then choose your country payment method, either cash, credit, debit card, or bank transfer, and select the delivery method, that is cash pickup or bank deposit. Similarly, to receive money, recipients can pick up cash at RIA agent location or have it deposited directly into the bank. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.